Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to restore your PIN code in case you forgot it. So in order to restore your PIN code, you have to select this option right here, I forgot my PIN, then click on it once again. And then you're gonna have to, well, if you have a local account set up on your device, then you're gonna have to answer one of the security questions that you prepared for yourself, and then enter a new PIN code. Make sure that you remember it this time, and once you do that, you'll regain access to your account once again. But if you don't remember the answers to your security questions, well, in such case, you're gonna have to reinstall your Windows in order to regain access to your account. And if you need some help on your way, we have an entire video on our channel on how to reinstall Windows from USB on this laptop. So if you need it, then go ahead and check it out. Now, as for the users who use their Microsoft account connected with their Windows account, in order to restore password, you're gonna have to enter your Microsoft account's password. Now, if you don't remember it, you can click forgot password and then reset your password using your Microsoft mail. Okay, so and once you reset it, enter it into this field. Then you'll have to verify your identity by clicking right here. You're gonna receive a code on your email, which you're gonna have to enter into this field. Once you enter this code, click verify or just press enter, and then click continue and provide a new PIN code, and make sure that you remember it this time. Confirm it in the following field and click OK, and in a moment you will regain access to your Windows. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.